Imagine zipping through city streets effortlessly, avoiding traffic jams and saving money, all while being eco-friendly. Welcome to the future of commuting with e-bikes. Electric bikes are not just a trend, they are a revolution in urban transportation, offering a sustainable and cost-effective solution. Government subsidies are making e-bikes more affordable than ever. In France, you can get up to $400 off your e-bike purchase. Germany is also on board, offering generous rebates to encourage eco-friendly commuting. Imagine the savings! Even in the US, cities like Denver are offering up to $1,200 in rebates based on income eligibility. The future is green and affordable. Tax breaks are another game changer. The proposed e-bike act in the US offers a 30% tax credit up to $1,500, making e-bikes even more accessible. Across Europe, countries like the Netherlands and Germany are reducing VAT on e-bikes, making them more affordable for everyone. The second-hand market is booming, offering a budget-friendly way to own an e-bike. Platforms like Craigslist and eBay are treasure troves for pre-owned e-bikes. Buying second-hand not only saves money but also supports a circular economy, reducing the demand for new products. Subscription models are another flexible option. Companies like Swapfits and Zumo offer e-bike subscriptions that include maintenance and repairs. Big Cat Electric Bikes offers rental services, allowing you to experience the benefits of e-biking without a large upfront cost. Urban commuters are quickly adopting e-bikes to avoid traffic, reduce emissions, and save on commuting costs. Students and seniors are also finding e-bikes to be a reliable and cost-effective mode of transportation. In cities like Amsterdam, affordable e-bikes are helping to reduce car usage and ease traffic congestion. Financing options are making e-bikes even more accessible. Big Cat Electric Bikes offers flexible financing plans to spread out payments. Imagine paying off a $2,000 e-bike over 12 months. It's never been easier to own an e-bike. Advancements in battery technology are expected to lower the cost of e-bikes even further, making them more affordable for everyone. With increased government support, we can expect more subsidies, tax breaks, and rebates in the future. Companies like Big Cat Electric Bikes are well positioned to offer even more affordable e-bikes as technology and market demand evolve. Big Cat continues to invest in providing best-in-class service and competitive pricing, ensuring that e-bikes are accessible to a wider audience. Join the e-bike revolution today and experience the future of commuting. Big Cat Electric Bikes. Ride smarter, ride greener.